Seems to be fine for me. Maybe we'll do 2 more songs. What do you say? I don't know if that's sounds alright. I'm gonna play one that's very close to my heart, and then one that feels like one big release, to be honest with you. But this song I have to play is probably one of the most important ones to me. It finishes the record, and it's about my dad. It's called Wish You Well. Found myself on the floor last night. You and me look so alike, but I don't wanna be a thing like you. Burning bridges to tame the truth. Make a move now. Why don't you, if I ever see your face, hope that I'll not feel to pay for all the hurt you gave and all the hell. I wish you well. I wish you well. I wish you well. Write it down as the only way. Otherwise the words just escape. I'm a kid all over